Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 96 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page almost every day, except Sundays. He's off on Sundays, where you can ask questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions, we go through all the questions, there's a lot of questions, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you so you're not spending an hour reading all the questions, because they duplicate a lot. Get it? Duplicating. All right, so in today's episode, we're talking about a free bottle of wine, but you're cruising solo, transferring your onboard credits to another guest, the same food on Lido that's in the restaurants, bringing back the mushrooms at Guy's Burger Joint, and liter-sized distilled water, not the gallons. All right, question one. This cruiser heard there's a special for the first night at the steakhouse where you can get a free bottle of wine at dinner for 2 people. How does it work if you're a solo cruiser? John said, if you are cruising solo, then it is 2 glasses of complimentary wine on the first night. Little bit of a change. They used to do a bottle, now you get 2 glasses. If my math is mathing, it's 4 glasses of wine in the whole bottle, so it's about half of what they're supposed to give you anyway, so not a bad thing, and you still get free wine. Come on, it's free alcohol. Question 2. This cruiser wanted to know if they can transfer their onboard credits to another guest sailing on the same cruise, but in a different cabin. John said no. So if you walk down with a bunch of onboard credit and you want to give it to one of your friends, you can't do that. It's a great question, though. I think your friends would like it if you could say, hey, I got $500 onboard credit. I'm going to give you $200 so you can go get some stuff. They would like that too. But unfortunately, you cannot do that. Speaking of like, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question 3. This cruiser wanted to know why the ships have the same food that you can get in the main dining room at the buffet as well. It's a great question. John said, it's part of reducing food waste. So they have found many things guests do not want to get dressed up to, so they can go enjoy the same exact food more casually. So yeah, you can go to buffet and get some of the stuff. You can go to the main dining room, sit down, and get some of the same stuff, but in a much nicer environment. So, yeah, you can get it here, you can get it there, you can get it anywhere. It's like the cat in a hat. Anyway, this question 4. This cruiser, which is not me, but I want to know this answer too, asked if they can get the mushrooms back at Guy's Toppings Bar. If there's a waste concern, just prepare less at a time. Please, please. I'm saying please too. I agree. The mushrooms were one of the best things about the Guy's Burgers. John said he did actually have a personal conversation with the head chef last time he was in Miami at the mothership, and this was definitely on the list. He can't make any promises, but he is pushing for it as well because apparently he likes them too. I love those things. They're delicious. And most of the time you go to get them, they're not there. So I don't think it's a food waste thing. I don't know what it is. Bring them back, John. Bring them back. Okay, last question. This cruiser uses a CPAP machine, and they wanted to know if it was possible to get liter-sized distilled water for CPAP machines instead of an entire gallon. A gallon might be a good option for 2 people in the cabin, but a gallon for 1 person is way too much. John said they are actually going to look into this. I know a couple people that actually use CPAP machines, and they said the same exact thing. They can order a gallon, it's not expensive, but you're using this much of it over, say, a 7-day cruise. So it just seems like a lot of waste. So John said they are looking into getting smaller or liter size for CPAP machine for the CPAP users. So good news. They're probably going to charge the same much as a gallon, but whatever. At least you're not wasting stuff. Anyway, that's been episode 96 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.